Hey guys, what the frig is up? So I just did a face mask because mentally and physically I am stressing out about finals. Our school likes to do this thing called Dead Week, which marks like the week before finals. So officially it starts tomorrow. It's currently 9:45. Also like my pajamas. They're from Target, $10. You already know what's going on. If you want, you can come along with me during Dead Week, the week before finals. I know we are all probably mentally struggling with this, and I'm trying to raise my grades right now because finals will probably impact my grades, but it's gonna be a good impact. Mentally I have to think of that because it helps you. That's what I've heard. Come along with me during the week before finals and prepare, and yeah, so I'll see you in the morning. 7:40 and I am just about to leave school. I'm gonna be driving to school. I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone because I don't want to break my big camera, so I'll see you there.
Dead eating there. Day 1. It's Dead Week Day 1.
Oh.
You know our Dead Week Day 1 video.
Hi. Wait, what type of cookies do we get?
Ubas. Grapes. Grapes. Hey, me and Jessie's vlog for Day 1.
How many days are there?
Dead Week days. So 5. Recap. Oh, it's just
Why are your grapes like pink?
Oh.
Yeah, not even red.
Oh.
Is that yours?
That's Amanda.
That's Amanda, yeah.
Amanda.
What is that?
I'm in ceramics right now, so that's so fun. So, what are you doing there?
I'm doing my website because I got in trouble for not doing it. Oh my god, do you want to see me?
Yeah.
So option A, option B, that's it.
Okay, comment down below. Okay, turn my heater off and turn my music off. I had my heater on because it's freezing. I just ate my advent calendar. I'm currently studying for my ASL class because I have a test in it tomorrow. On my final, all I have to do is sign a song, so that's super easy. Yeah, there's not much more to do. I think I might start my chemistry final like cheat sheet because we get to use the cheat sheet for our final. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna study my ASL for now because I have my test. What's up? On my way to school. Today is Tuesday. It's 7:40 a.m. I'm gonna drive to school. Today they're giving out churros for like stress relief week. Tomorrow I am doing pajama day, but I wear pajamas like every day, so it doesn't really make a difference. Yeah, I'll see you at school.
I got a coupon for $10 off.
Also guys, this is my update on my bullet journal. This is what it looks like. So cute. I actually love filling this in. Like, with it all colored, it looks so cute. Yeah, I just like add a bunch of stuff. It's going on really great. So I don't know, I just thought I'd show you my updated bullet journal. I didn't vlog much at school because I had like stuff going on, like in my classes. I also think I might start to edit this video so I can get it up and watch a little Grey's Anatomy. Today's pajama day. Pants are from Target, $10. This is my friend's. I'm sure it's from Brandonville. I sound really raspy, so that's kind of weird, but I'm tired. I actually have to go to school right now, so I'll see you there. Pajamas. Morgan's pajamas.
It's day 3. There you go. Where's Carter? Carter, we need to do our daily water. Get my
Was she really about to say watermelon? Honey, that's a grape.
Today I got a purple grape. Ayo.
Got a little far and it got lost.
Oh, I know that.
I got Play-Doh to handle my stress. I got purple Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh. That's not it. Blue Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh. And now I get to squish it to handle my stress. Really recommend going out, getting yourself some Play-Doh. Okay, anyways, I'm going home. And then, oh my god, also, I'm going out to Target with my friends to get stuff for our gingerbread houses. So, finish our Target.
You go first. We have some Ghirardelli chocolate squares. Sister, some Kit Kat, which everyone likes. And we got some gummy bears. Fries, you know, some Takis.
Some
coconut flakes. It's a big ass thing.
Okay, so went to Target, got my stuff. Went to go see Christmas lights. That's really festive and fun. I don't have any homework, though I should start my little essay for English, but I'm gonna just put that aside. But tomorrow they're giving out Krispy Kreme donuts, so that's like really the best. And then Friday, dogs. So excited. It's 8:30 and I think I'm gonna go to bed. Try to go to bed early tonight, just because I don't really go to bed early. My lights are on, and so is my tree and my candle, just to make it a little more festive. But yeah, I think I'm gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy and just chill for a little bit.
Why are you gonna take it? I was bad. I was just talking back.
Eating hot Cheetos. Sad boy hours. We're at school and we have our sign language
Final.
Yeah, so we have to
And,
sign a song. Should we do it?
We'll do it for
Wow.
us.
You got a friend in me when the road runs ahead miles and miles for your nice warm bed. It's me and you, boy. A friendship will never die. You got a friend in me.
We love that.
Hi guys, we're in the library working on our essay for English for our final. But yeah, they're having dogs today. I'll show you some dogs because everyone loves dogs. Yeah, I'm being stared at right now, so that's so fun. Guys, look at all of our effing candy.
Oh my god.
Alrighty, I look like a bum. Gotta edit this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I wish all of you good luck on your finals because finals are hard and tragic. So, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I wish all of you good luck on your finals. So, yeah. Peace.